Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your November month reading regarding your person's current feelings, and this will be general reading and short message for you. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. So here, let's start your reading here. You are having 3 cards for your person's current feelings. 7 of Cups, King of Swords, and 3 of Wands. Here, I'm seeing that, or I'm picking the message that your person is very much confused, and they want to talk to you, and they are waiting for from the time. They are waiting for long to talk to you, or maybe they want to clear some kind of confusion between you and them. That's why they are trying to clear the air, and they want to tell you the truth, or that's why they are waiting, or maybe this time before, maybe they were not able to do before, they were not able to talk to you before, or they were not able to clear that confusion before, between you people. So now this person now is seeing the light from the tunnel. Now this person is seeing that this time they can talk you and they can reach to you. If you blocked them, now maybe you this time you unblock them, and now they can talk to you. They are seeing the resources to talk you, and they are just rushing here. Here, Knight of Swords, they are just rushing towards you. If maybe you gave them indication in this time frame, you gave them indication that they can come and clear the confusion between you and you people. So this is the time they are waiting, what they are waiting before. Now they can see their ships are coming, and they are rushing towards you to clear all kind of misunderstandings, and they are rushing towards you to talk. Uh, Maybe they did not talk you for a long time. Now they want to talk you, so that's why they are rushing here. They want to clear all kind of misunderstanding, or maybe they are confused how to talk you, how to start the conversation, because you just gave them opportunity to talk to you, and this is the time they just want to avail this opportunity, and that's why this person is rushing towards you, and they are just in a hurry. They just want to clear or maybe if this person wants to wants to ask some kind of questions from you, so this person is in a hurry, that this person wants to talk and clear the air. So, Gemini, this was your reading. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.